When you hear the term life insurance, most likely you think of the death benefit, when in fact there are living benefits as well. It's Lisa Ward here, your investment advisor to millionaires. So, what do I mean by living benefits? Lisa, it's life insurance. You get the money when they're dead. Well, yes, but there are riders, so amendments to your insurance policy where we can enhance the benefits at an additional cost, of course, depending on what your goals are. For example, you could have a critical illness rider, meaning you have access to a percentage of the death benefit prior to death in the instance of a critical illness diagnosis. We've got some medical bills. It would be great if we had access to that cash. Well, you could if you had that type of rider. Now, one that we use quite often is the long-term care rider. So, planning for long-term care in retirement can dwindle your assets so quickly if we have not prepared for this. If we know that we are prone to Alzheimer's or any other kind of diagnosis that would trigger a long-term care event, meaning we can't do 2 of the daily living activities, we can't get up, go to the bathroom, get dressed, shower, feed ourselves, and at the end of it, still know who we are. So there's the cognitive side of things as well. So if we've triggered a long-term care event, then we're going to need to pay for these expenses. And if we have not prepared for that or set money aside for that, things could look a little different. So if we are in our 40s and 50s is kind of the sweet spot for this. We're still young and healthy. We can qualify for life insurance, and we add on the long-term care rider, which allows us to add a bucket of money for long-term care expenses in the future. It's a permanent policy, so we're going to have it forever and ever. Amen. But this allows us to do 2 things with the same premium dollar. So if that's something you are interested in or want to learn more about long-term care or just life insurance in general, there are so many different kinds of policies out there. Depending on what your estate planning needs are, there's probably a right fit for a type of policy. So if you guys have questions, please let me know.